Hello, today I talk about the Schneider PLC communication with Siemens HMI WinCC Flexible 2008. Let's start. First, I create one program in the Unity Pro XL. One start button, one stop button, make sure to light, then turn on off. Okay. We use timer, two timer. We often do this program. Easy. Let's start. Okay. We build. If you want to use Unity Pro XL communication to the HMI SCADA software, you have two configuration in the Unity Pro XL. First, go to project setting, go to PLC embedded date. You should have to date dictionary mark. Here only HMI available mark, and here's online changing the mark. Okay, I mark already. Then go to the here data editor, mark HMI available, all this mark. Okay, and I use the timer with all the mark. Okay. Then we use simulator connection, transfer to PLC. Okay. Okay, it's working. Let me try. Here is running. Yeah, first light is on. After 5 seconds, second light is on. Then just returning one by one. Okay. Okay, now we open Schneider OPC software OFS. I created this one program. Open OPC factory service. Here is running open OFS command. Choose Schneider Alt OFS. New one. Here, choose one. Let to start, stop, and come on. Okay, validate, close. Here's working. Okay, then open WinCC Flexible 2008. Create a new one. Next. Here choose OPC. So next. And that's it, just finish. Yeah, go to connection. We choose OPC service name. It's OPC. Okay. Save. Go to tag. Start. Go here. Symbol. We choose. Start. Stop. Right. Okay, reach timer. Timer 1. Timer 2. Okay, save. Then go to the start screen. Create a screen. Choose switch. Then here, go to the general menu. Choose switch with text. Here, start. Start. Okay. We choose the start button. Okay. Here is choose 20. Central. Okay. The other one. Stop. Choose stop. Okay. Text. Okay. Now we use to light. Pale green. Here, go to the Here, appearance, we choose tag, light 1, we choose speed. Here, oh, here it's still green. Yeah. Okay. Great. Appearance, we choose light 2, bit, is red, is green. Okay, that's it. Then we use L field. First one, channel. Here choose decimal. Here is format, which is 4 digital. Process tag. Here is module. We choose output. Time 1. Okay. Here seems 4 digit. This output is time 2. Text 20. The center. Center 20. Okay. Okay, now we have other button, exact. Okay, test 20. Okay, event, click here, stop run, stop run time. That's it. Okay. Okay, save. That's it. Now everything's okay. Now we can test. Now start. No, he's running. Stop. Yeah. Start. Okay. Good. That's it. Okay. So I just show you how to connect WinCC Flexible 2008 with the slide PLC. Okay. Thank you very much.